Hello and welcome to my channel Crockery and Cutlery Tales. Fasting is very popular in Indian culture to attain divine grace. However, fasting can be of two types. It can be complete or partial abstinence from consumption of food. So today I am going to share a recipe of sweet potato chaat which can be consumed in case of partial abstinence. I have taken two medium-sized sweet potatoes weighing around 250 grams and boiled them in pressure cooker till 2 whistles. I will be cutting them into 2 equal halves and peeling the skin. During Vrat or Upvas, you can consume this sweet potato chaat along with some fruits to prevent yourself from feeling hungry. Sweet potatoes have higher nutritional value than normal potatoes, so this can be a good diet option too. So once we are done with the peeling of potatoes, we will cut them into small pieces. The Shakarkandi chaat is a medley of flavors. You can enjoy the tanginess, the sweetness as well as the spiciness of all the ingredients which will be added henceforth in this recipe. As I am done with cutting of the potatoes into small cubes, I will transfer them into a mixing bowl where I will mix all the other ingredients which I have along with me. Now let us get started. First I will pour all the potatoes in the mixing bowl. During Vrat, we generally consume rock salt. So here I am not using table salt. So in normal circumstances, you can use table salt. Give an edge to the chaat, I am giving black pepper powder. I have roasted some cumin seeds and made a powder of it. This I will use here. You can use normal cumin seed powder also. This is a very basic green chutney which I have prepared with coriander, mint and 1 chili. That's it. Along with water, I have blended it in a jar. The sourness in the chaat will come from dahi or curd which I will put at this stage. I am not using the thick curd but the normal watery portion. This will help in mixing all the ingredients together. This I would like to consider as the star ingredient of my chaat. This is the khatti meeti imli ki chutney made with imli and khajur, that is tamarind and date. After this, we will add some chaat masala powder. Amchur powder can also be added as a replacement. The lush red color of the pomegranate adds a color diversity as well as sweetness to the chaat. Every chaat is more or less incomplete without coriander. So we will add some chopped leaves at the end and also a spoonful of save. The save will add some crunchiness to the chaat. I will sprinkle some chaat masala at the top. Let not hunger come in the way of your spirituality and you surrender yourself to God with your full heart. The Shakarkandi chaat or sweet potato chaat will satisfy your hunger cravings as well as will satiate your taste buds. Do give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.